What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Chris P and I'm back with another video. And if you're new to the channel, this channel is all about making money, making moves. So if you like that, make sure that you hit that sub button, hit that like button, because your boy is always dropping gems. All right, now if you're in my Discord chat right now, you're about to get an upgrade, okay? Because as you guys know, I trade using Trusted Signals and I have alerts set up, and now I'm going to actually give you guys my alerts in my Discord chat for at least 3 different pairs, okay? And I'm always gonna be tweaking it so that way you guys can have the best settings. So if you're interested in joining my free Discord chat, make sure that you click the link in the description, and it's free, so what do you have to lose? And if you're into trading, you might as well go ahead and click TRUSTEDSIGNALS.com as well, because they have a crazy sale going on. And if you know, and if you've seen me post in their Discord community, you know I have access, first access to their trading bots, okay? Right now we are actually testing 2 bots with 2 live accounts, one with $1,000 and one with $4,000. This week I am up, okay? So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click TRUSTEDSIGNALS.com, join the Discord community, and check out the profit post there. I have a lot more videos on bots coming soon. So if you want to see bots, make sure that you stick around and hit that sub button, okay? And on top of that, they actually just gave me my own discount code on Trusted Signals. Basically, if you use Chris P, code Chris P at checkout, you're gonna be able to save 20% off of all memberships. But if you use code BOT right now on Lifetime, you're gonna get 50% off of Lifetime, but I do not know how long that is going to be on sale. So make sure that you act fast, okay? So today's video is a little bit of the insight of what's coming for Trusted Signals, because I know a lot of you follow me for my Trusted Signals content, and don't mind my sound. I have crazy allergies right now. I just got my house completed. They've been doing construction here. I have dust here. I have 2 trees that produce pollen right outside my door, and I need to cut those down ASAP. So don't mind that. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump directly into the computer, because I'm excited to show you guys what I have been able to gain access to. And I'm also gonna pull up Trusted Signals YouTube channel right now to show you guys what they just announced on their channel. So let's go ahead and jump directly into the computer. As you guys can see here, I have TradingView open. All right, if you're not familiar with TradingView, you can go ahead and create a free account, and this is where Trusted Signals has their alerts. And if you're not familiar, Trusted Signals actually has a ton of indicators that you can use, and what we're actually going over today is 2 indicators that is actually not even listed there. So the indicators that we're actually going to be looking at is this one and this one. All right, if you're familiar with trading, you can already see exactly what they are. So as you guys can see here, this one is called the TS, Trusted Signals Enhanced MACD. Okay, now MACD is a very, very powerful indicator, and it can show you exactly which way the market is about to turn trend-wise. And then also the enhanced volume. This is to see how much money that is going to be pumped into the markets. Now, these 2 indicators right here are very, very important if you're a retail trader like most traders. And as you guys can see here with the alerts plus the actual MACD, you can definitely tell when the market is about to flip sides. So as you guys can see here, blue means buy, red means sell as always. And once we see this crossover on the actual MACD, okay, not only is it giving you a crossover, because this is a middle zone right here, not only is it showing where the crossover is gonna happen or where it's happening, but it's also representing this by color coding the top of the actual MACD to give you a bias on which way the market is going. And this is going to be a great indicator for newbie traders, because this is going to help you understand whether it's a bullish market or a bearish market. All right, and then volume is basically on how many people are stepping into the market. As you guys can see here right now, we had a flip of the MACD around the same time, so therefore sellers were stepping in at the moment and selling this short. Boom. So you see this actually make a strong move to the sell side. Then the MACD is actually producing those reversal zones where you can actually just take profit or get down, so that way you're not losing profits or basically going into the opposite direction and potential drawdown. Okay, so these are very, very important, and I definitely think that you can use these to your benefit. And I have more strategy videos using these indicators down below, and exactly how to use them. So if you're excited about that, make sure that you stay tuned. And this is just another reason why you guys should get lifetime membership, because they are constantly adding new indicators. They're working on bots. And the thing that I wanted to go ahead and show you guys, we go ahead and go to the Trusted Signals YouTube page. I'm gonna actually click on this last video, and really and truly, they didn't go really into major details about this, but I wanted to go ahead and point this out because I think that this is gonna be literally insane, especially for traders like me who are using Trusted Signals on TradingView but taking our trades in MT4. Let's go ahead and come here. Boom. Now they did say here, right here, but a lot of this went over your guys' head, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and check this out right here. But guys, Trusted Signals is coming out with, let's go ahead and mute this. Boom. MT4 indicators, okay? MT4 alerts, guys. So can you imagine using Trusted Signals to not only on TradingView for your analysis, but on actually MT4? Now, keep in mind that they're showing this off now, but for the bot, so it's just automatically taking the trades for you. And if you watch this video right here, they literally show you where it's bringing back 250% gains on the account, and it's everything automatic for you. So this is the bot that they're gonna be releasing. And if you wanna go ahead and learn more about this specific product, make sure that you check Trusted Signals YouTube channel out, because obviously they are literally moving fast on a lot of things. So in this video alone, you can already tell they're doing MT4 indicators, new indicators for TradingView, bots, partnered brokers, and they have a lot more planned. So as you can see here, look how sick this is, okay? This is an EA that's basically telling you when to buy and sell. And on top of that, within these EAs, they are actually gonna go ahead and have stop loss, trailing profits, trailing stops, buy stops, and it's literally gonna show you exactly how to trade like a sophisticated trader. And basically, as soon as it buys, right, it's already placing your stop loss at break even, all that good stuff. So it's literally gonna be insane and a game changer. So guys, stick around for that. And if you want more videos, I want you right now to go ahead and just drop as many flame emojis right now if you watched it to this part, because I do believe that Trusted Signals is literally about to change the game. I've literally been able to make hands-free profit, which I've never done before. I've actually had to study the market, study how to trade. Now I can actually go ahead and set up an account for my grandma, set up an account for my uncle who know nothing about trading. They're gonna go ahead and literally make hands-free money. We're gonna set them up with $1,000 to $5,000 accounts to start. And then once that account makes that initial deposit, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. And then now they're gonna have their own accounts moving forward. So this is something that's gonna be able to go ahead and help you guys out. And the affiliate program for Trusted Signals is amazing. Keep in mind that if they're continuing to grow and grow and grow, guys, join the community. Start making videos for Trusted Signals like me, okay? Because this community is amazing, and I really want you guys to go ahead and check it out. All right, guys? So until the next video, if you want more, make sure that you go ahead and hit that like, hit that sub button, because your boy is always gonna drop some gems. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.